This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's much-anticipated speech took center stage on Wednesday as the head of the world's most powerful central bank delivered a detailed but grim view of the American economy. As living with the pandemic forcibly becomes the new reality, Powell cautioned that the recovery may take some time and that a prolonged recession may leave behind lasting damage to the productive capacity of the economy. His words were a blow to the optimism that had been building in the markets over the last few weeks, as the relaxation of social distancing restrictions in the United States and elsewhere had generated expectations of a V-shaped recovery from the virus crisis. But in a further setback for investors, Powell reiterated that negative interest rates were not on the cards, saying the committee's view on negative rates really has not changed. President Trump, who has been advocating negative rates for some time, waded into the debate by voicing his disagreement with the Fed. But that was not the only stance by Trump that worried investors, as Republicans have rejected Democrats' proposal for another $3 trillion lifeline for the U.S. economy, even as Powell calls for more fiscal support. Powell's bleak outlook of the economy rattled equity markets, which were already reeling from fears of a second wave of infections of COVID-19. The three leading indices on Wall Street fell sharply for a second straight day, and E-mini futures suggest stocks will struggle again today. In currency markets, the U.S. dollar advanced slightly higher against a basket of currencies as it eyed three-week highs. The yen and the Swiss franc were also broadly firmer on Thursday as risk sentiment worsened after Powell's address. This left all other countries exposed to the market mood, with the Australian dollar being the worst performer after it came under pressure from worse-than-expected job losses in Australia in April. But the standout currency was the pound, which continued to underperform for the month as concerns grow about not only how well the UK government is managing the virus spread, but how it will pay for the huge deficit that it is running to keep businesses afloat. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.